Today, we'll walk you through replacing the mesh screen filter and O-ring on your MR45 Recovery Machine's inlet port, and we'll finish by testing it to ensure it's working at its best. A dirty or clogged mesh screen reduces suction and creates negative pressure on the inlet port, impacting your machine's performance and efficiency. Let's talk about what you are going to need. Replacement mesh screens, included with your MR45 machine. A 21mm or 13/16" wrench, a small, sturdy tool to push out the old screen. First, unplug the machine to ensure safety. Using your wrench, turn the securing hex nut on the inlet port counterclockwise. Then unscrew the grooved input fitting in the same direction. Remove the old dirty mesh screen filter with your small tool. Replace the screen with a new one from your pack. Your MR45 Recovery Machine includes 10 extra mesh screen filters. Insert the mesh screen back into the groove fitting, ensuring it is seated fully and evenly. Before reassembly, check the O-ring on the inlet port. Your MR45 Recovery Machine includes 3 extra O-rings, so if it appears worn, now's the perfect time to replace it. Hand tighten the grooved input fitting clockwise. Then snug the hex nut with your wrench, just an 1/8 turn for a perfect seal. Now that we've replaced the mesh screen filter, let's test the MR45 to ensure it's functioning properly at its fullest potential. First, we need to set the MR45 to auto stop level -20 inches of mercury for the most comprehensive test. To do this, press and hold the auto stop level button for 3 seconds to enter the auto stop level menu. You'll see the current setting on the display. Press and release the auto stop level button to cycle through the choices. 0 psig, atmosphere, -10 inches of mercury, and -20 inches of mercury. Leave your selection on the screen for 3 seconds and the auto stop level will be saved automatically. Close off the outlet port with a ball valve. Note, the included caps are not sealed, so you'll need an actual ball valve for this test. Leave the inlet port open to atmosphere. Turn the dial from close to recovery and press start to begin the test. You should now see that the inlet port reads 0 psig and is not going into negative pressure. This confirms that the inlet port is clear of any debris and air is flowing freely through the mesh screen filter. Your MR45 should automatically cut off at approximately 550 psig. This is our high-pressure cutoff point, which typically occurs within 45 seconds during a proper self-test. There you have it. You have successfully changed your inlet port mesh screen and O-ring and tested your MR45 to show that it is functioning properly. Thank you for watching.